This is chocolate, long before it becomes the bar in your hand. It begins as a cocoa pod, split open to reveal beans wrapped in soft white pulp. The beans tumble through slow-turning drums, roasting until they darken and release their aroma. Cracking rollers split the shells, and a rush of air winnows the husks away, leaving only pure nibs. Steel mills grind those nibs into a thick, flowing river of cocoa mass. For hours, conching blades fold the chocolate over itself until rough grit turns silky and glossy. Then comes tempering, warm chocolate cascading over cooled steel, locking in that perfect snap. It streams into molds, and a vibrating table shakes loose every last bubble. Once chilled, the finished bars drop free, wrapped and boxed faster than the eye can follow. From bean to bar, engineered to be mesmerizing. This is Phantom Factory.